Hello guys, hope you're doing well. So today's video topic is if your Google Chrome browser is not opening or it is not working. In this video we are going to fix this issue. So the first step you can try is if your Google Chrome browser is running in the background, first you have to disable or turn off your background application of Google Chrome. So for this, right click on the taskbar and you will see this option here, Task Manager. Click on it. Now if you see this kind of small window of Task Manager, simply click on this option, More Details. Now in the Process tab you can see these are the applications and services which are running in the background. So first you have to search for Google Chrome application in the list, and if you find your Google Chrome application in this list, in this background list, simply turn off or disable or close that application by right click on it, then click on End Task. So you have to end task your Google Chrome browser if it is in the list of background application. This is your first step, end task the Google Chrome from this Task Manager. This will fix your issue. But if you are still getting the same issue, now move on to our next step. You can try right click on your Google Chrome shortcut, then click on this option, Open File Location. Click on it. Now here you will see this is the Google Chrome application I have. Right click on it, then go to this option, Send to, then click on this option, Desktop. So this will create a Google Chrome shortcut in your desktop. Click on it. So this is the new shortcut of Google Chrome I have. So now run this shortcut to open your Google Chrome. So these are the two steps you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.